Click the text you want to replace. Then you just select the text you want to replace. Just change as needed. Next, change the text color. Choose the text color as needed. Next, how to copy and paste text. Select the text you want to copy, then CTRL plus C. Back to PowerPoint. Select the text you want to replace and right-click on the mouse. Do not CTRL plus kelima directly because it will change the template font. Besides using CTRL plus C to copy text, you can use other methods such as right-clicking on the mouse and then clicking copy.